In this video, I want to share with you some evergreen niches to get you ready for Q4 and some free prompts to go along with those niches. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch-on-demand and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those evergreen niches and those free prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for merch-on-demand. So today is Wednesday, October 1st, 6:15 a.m. in the morning. Already got 4 sales, so that's a nice way to start off Q4 or the month of October. And since it is the first, I'll just figure I'd just share with you my sales from last month. So last month ended up doing about $2,700 in royalties. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch on Demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 20 years. So the other day I was doing some research for my school community like I always do on Merch Dominator, and I was checking out the FK niche. If you haven't heard of this niche, it's been doing very well. If we go to this page on Merch Dominator right here, where it's the best sellers by BSR, you can see the F off niche right here is some of the best selling designs right now. Look at this, 6,000 BSR, 7,000 BSR, so doing really well. But I saw this F off niche right here that I thought was pretty cool because it was scalable. It really caught my eye, and it was this one right here that says F off, I'm gardening. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, well, this could definitely be scaled. And I think this is a really good idea because we're taking a trending niche, which is the F off niche right here, which I think is going to be here to stay. This looks like it's going to be a good one, maybe for the next year or so. And it's cross niche with I'm gardening. So I'm like, okay, basically we could take this idea right here and scale it out to a whole bunch of other different types of hobbies. So what I did is I went on over to ChatGPT and I just said, hey, ChatGPT, what are some other solo hobbies that are similar to gardening? And here we got bird watching, hiking, beekeeping, cooking, pottery. So there's a whole bunch. Now you can go really in depth with this. There's a whole bunch of evergreen hobbies that you can cross niche the FK with, but I just want to share with you the ones that kind of caught my eye that I thought were good, had some potential, and share with you the designs and prompts. So here they are right here, and actually if you want the free prompts, you can just go to click the link in the description and get 8 free F off evergreen prompts, get you ready for Q4. You know, today is October 1st, so the next 3 months are going to be jamming for Merch on Demand and just for print on demand in general online. So let's go back here and let's go ahead and take a look at this first one. So the first one is going to be F off, I'm beekeeping. And I actually really like how this one came out. The beekeeping niche is a huge niche on Merch on Demand. That's why I like this niche right here, where we're cross niching F off with any type of big niche like this. So good one right here. And basically what I did is I just went to this design right here and I took a screenshot of it and I just popped it into ideogram and I clicked on the design feature. So basically if I go like this right here, oh, I was doing some book covers right there. So right here, this is the prompt that I used, and what you can do is you can come in here to style and you can just click on a quick reference, and right here you can actually go ahead and just upload a screenshot. So that's how I was able to get a similar design like this, but kind of a little different. But the first 3 are kind of like this right here. So right here we got F off, I'm hiking. So that's another really good one. You know, hiking is a really good evergreen niche that is solo. So right here we're going to have F off, I'm bird watching. You know, that's a really low competition niche. You know, so you can cross niche F off with big niches like this one right here, like hiking, or lower competition like bird watching. Next one is going to be F off, I'm cooking. Now this one I thought was really good because, you know, if you are a cook, oh, I got a sale. Let's see what it was. Let me just go back here. I don't want to. Always exciting. Q4 is starting to go. All right, so we can see that the Q4 sales are starting to come in. Let's go back here to ideogram and take a look at the rest of these prompts I have for you. So like I was saying, you know, this one right here, F off, I'm cooking. If you're a cook, you like to cook, you know, you don't like to be bothered. So like think about niches like that where, you know, you don't want to be bothered. So cooking is a really good example. This next one right here I think was my favorite when it comes to the design because I just really like the covers. F off, I'm painting. So that's a kind of a different way to think about it. These other ones, these first 4, we're using kind of the same kind of style right here where you have like the leaves in the background, but you know, you can get creative with this. F off, I'm painting. This next one right here is F off, I'm drinking beer. I thought that was kind of a funny one. Some of these just popped into my head. F off, I'm smoking weed, for the people that like to smoke marijuana. And then this one right here, you can also do sports like F off, I'm golfing. So you can get creative with this. Some other ones that popped into my mind, like before I started recording this video, I thought if you take this with video games, like I don't even know if that is one. Maybe we can go ahead and take a look and see if I can find it. But like F off, I'm gaming. That's definitely going to be a good one. F off, I'm sewing. F off, I'm knitting. I also saw one that was like F off, it's Monday. So, use your own creativity to see if you can think of some other ones that I might not have thought of. Use ChatGPT. Maybe you have some best-selling designs, that could go well with this in some certain type of niches. But I wanted to make this video basically just to wish everybody a happy Q4, give you guys some good evergreen niches to get you some sales for this Q4, but also to kind of get your brain thinking like, how can I take this F-off niche that we are seeing is doing very well right here, all right, and cross niche it with these upcoming, cross niche it with these evergreen niches. So right here, I'm gardening. Here's one for hiking. You can get really creative with this. I think I saw F off, don't be a chicken. So like I keep saying, think about how you can cross niche this with some other niches. Don't just do another F off because there's already going to be a million of them. But that's a funny one with the cat. So maybe you can switch this up for different type of animals. So lots of ways to scale this. F off, I'm drinking coffee. Use ChatGPT to get some ideas. But yeah, and if you want, you can go ahead and download these free prompts. If you click the link in the description, and if you click on my ugly face right there, I also have a whole bunch of other free prompts. So right here, if you go to, where is it? There should be a free prompts section. Yeah, right here. So free prompts. These are all free prompts that you can just download for free. And if you're looking for some paid prompts, click on holidays. I got like 50 Christmas prompts on sale for the 1st till Sunday, I believe. So I got Christmas prompts, and I also got some like Halloween prompts, Thanksgiving prompts, breast cancer prompts. And if you're looking for a deal, if you click on bundles, you can get 500 evergreen prompts for only $12.50. That's probably going to be the best deal right there. And if you're looking for a niche service, you might want to consider joining my school community. Click the link in the description. You can watch this video. It will talk about who my school community is for and what you receive as a school member. But basically, you're going to be receiving niches and prompts every day for both Merch on Demand and for Etsy, because I do both. You also get access to all my GPTs and be part of the community. So if you're interested, check it out. If not, it's all good. I will continue making free content here on YouTube. So make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. But that's going to be the video for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.